Yeah, absolutely, Nick. There is a ton of damage that needs to be cleaned up, and folks are out and at it today. And as you can see behind me here, there is just a ton of damage going on right now. There's some equipment being used right now. There was actually a semi-truck just a little bit ago that was picking up all of that debris. So there is a lot that still needs to be cleaned up. And I saw several structures that were also down as well. So there's, again, a lot that really needs to be cleaned up. And officials told me that there was a confirmed tornado here in Kingsley, and there is no longer a blockade that gets into Kingsley, so people can come into Kingsley. However, travel into here is still heavily advised as roads are still full of debris. There is still power lines down as well as trees blocking the roads. But a couple of residents wanted to give back to all the volunteers taking the time to help out.
Out here to help the firefighters and the EMS and all the people volunteering in Kingsley. It's a mess around here, and they deserve it. They've been working since 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon.
Well, in the meantime, folks will continue to do the cleanup effort. However, residents did tell me this is the worst storm that they have seen in nearly 60 years. But at the end of the day, they're glad to all just be safe. Live in Kingsley, Iowa, Avi Hannon, KCAU 9 News.